What up, YouTube? It's Slow Pitch Fanatic here with another box break. I'm happy to break today for you Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition UEFA Champions League Soccer. This was exclusive to Montgomery Club members. It wasn't really available to the general public, which kind of sucked. But luckily for me and my buddy Nelson, he was able to hook me up with a box at cost, not for the crazy eBay prices that are being sold on the secondary market right now. So I'm happy to break this box. I do collect soccer, so we'll see how we do here. It's going to be very exciting. There's 8 packs per box, as you can see there. 32 cards per box, so 4 cards per pack. Nothing there. And we'll see if we can get some big hits out of this. So without further ado, let's do this. I could have easily resold this, mind you, but I've been seeing some of the breaks that have been going on and some of the cards that have been coming out of it, so I've decided to not resell it. I am actually going to break it and share it with everybody on the video here. So let's see what happens. Oh, goodness gracious. All right. First pack, we got Antoine Guzman. I love this blue sapphire. And we got a green. So I'll pull that one forward. Oh, nice. Jadon Sancho. Like that. That is awesome. Okay. Antoine Griezmann, we just saw. Mauro Icardi. And by the way, you get 2 variations or parallels in this box. So let's see who we got here. And we got a green, Jan Oblak. 21 out of 75. Jan Oblak for Club Atletico Madrid. So, let's see here. I'm going to sleeve these up. So, bear with me here because I don't really want to have the surfaces scratched on these. So, I'm going to sleeve up every one of these. So, just bear with me and be patient, please, for the next couple packs here. So I like the Jadon Sancho. That's pretty cool. You know, it's a base blue sapphire, but still, nonetheless, it's a nice card to have. On to the next pack. I'm so nervous breaking this product, I have to tell you. Obviously, trying to hit like Fati and some of the bigger name guys. Who's the other guy? Haaland, of course. Trent Alexander-Arnold for Liverpool. We've got Angel Correa for the Club Atletico Madrid. Luka Modric for Real Madrid. And last card, we've got Masaya Ugugawa for FC Salzburg. That's a rookie card, base rookie card. So again, I'm going to sleeve these all up. I just don't really want the surfaces to scratch if I can avoid it. Oops. All right. So we're into pack 3 now. There are photo variations too. It's a 100 card set. You're gonna have people like Ronaldo, Messi, and those guys in here too. Hey, rock you like a Harry Kane. I'm taking that from somebody else's group breaks. He says that all the time every time he pulls Harry Kane. We've got a feature stars of Trent Alexander-Arnold for Liverpool. Love these cards, man. Liverpool again. Virgil van Dijk, base, obviously. And then we've got a Tete, which is FC Shakhtar Donetsk, rookie card, base rookie. These cards look great. I'm actually happy they decided to do Topps Chrome Sapphire for soccer, which is really cool. Okay, on to pack 4. And we've got Peter Glaussi for RB Leipzig. We've got Lorenzo Insigne for Napoli. We've got a Danny Pereiro for Valencia. And the last one is Alexandro for Juventus. So we're halfway through. We've got 4 packs left. So far, not bad. We haven't hit the key rookies yet. And there's still one more color variation and maybe a photo variation. Maybe. Yeah, and I like the Sapphire technology for soccer, for Chrome too. It's really nice. Okay, on to pack number 4. Or no, wait, pack number 5, sorry. Okay. We've got Hossein Aouar for Olympic Lions. We've got a Junior Moraes for Shakhtar. We got a photo variant that's flipped over here, so I'll flip that in a second. We got Thibaut Courtois for Real Madrid. And who is our photo variation? Christian Pulisic. He seems to be coming up a lot in the photo variations. That's some of them from the breaks that I've seen. And he has a different number on the back, on the bottom. So we got a Christian Pulisic photo variation. So that's pack number 5. And we've got 3 packs left. So we're still hoping to hit Fati and Holland. Maybe Mount as well. So pack number 6. Okay, we've got Lucas Klosterman. Oh, we got a yellow. Ishmaeli on the back. We've got Udasius Lachidimos for Benfica. And who's our yellow? It's Saul Niguez for Club Atletico. And that's numbered to 99. Not the big rookie name we were hoping for, but a nice card nonetheless. Got 2 packs left. Hopefully we can still hit somebody big in those 2. All right. Okay. Maybe some last pack mojo too. All right, we've got Memphis Depay. We got Vinicius Jr. We've got a Vinicius Jr. Future Stars as well. And then we've got Douglas Santos. These Future Stars cards are really nice. All right, coming up to the last pack here. Give it a little bit of rub for the last pack mojo here. Oh, it's not want to open. Kepa Arrizabalaga, which everybody hates the guy for some reason. I know they signed him for big money, but I guess he's not living up to expectations as a goalkeeper for Chelsea. Philippe Coutinho, Mason Mount, that was one of the rookies I was talking about earlier, and we got Jan Oblak. So we didn't hit Holland or Ansu Fati, but that's okay. Can't always hit the big rookies all the time, but I was happy to share this, breaking this box with you guys. Oops, lost the sleeve. All right, so I guess the big hits were probably, I would say, out of all these, Mason Mount's pretty good, right there. That dude there. Vinicius Jr. has potential for Real Madrid. That's not as considered as a rookie, though. Who else we got here? There's a nice yellow parallel or gold. I think it's yellow. I don't think it's gold. The Pulisic photo variation is a good hit. No Alphonso Davies, too, either. That's the other one I was looking for, too. Trent Alexander-Arnold for Liverpool, I guess, is okay. But yeah, Jadon Sancho is always nice. That's a nice one. But anyways, I think that's it. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you all later. Peace. Thanks for watching.